Where's movie grip? Go.
The Michonne from The Walking Dead. She doesn't like one of these numbers when she shoots.
Where's movie grip? Go.
Every TV show or movie gotta have the teacup. You gotta have the teacup.
Where's movie grip? Go.
Minister Society.
Where's movie grip? Go.
I got another one. We're gonna call it the Boomer. The Boomer grip right here. The chicken wing and the hand on the magwell, just like this.
Where's movie grip? Go.
So this is one we see at the range all the time and in the movies.
Where's movie grip? Go.
Probably this one from Dirty Harry.